Hey guys, how you going? So it's been a while. I've been very busy. I have been doing a lot of things. I'm trying to do uni also at the same time. I don't know if my voice coming up. Let me just check. Yeah, my voice coming up. So yeah, I've been doing uni lately. So yeah, I'm a bit stressed out with a lot of stuff, and I haven't been vlogging for a while. But yeah, I got this new setup that I'm doing, and the colors are different, and the files are really cool. But anyway, yeah, I just want to say hi to you guys, and what's up? At the same time, also, yeah, back to day one. Last year I was so stressed out. Now I'm back to a bit stressed out, but not the same as last year. My birthday was like, nah, and I've gone fat. Look at that, I've gone fat. But yeah, so a lot of things updated. I have my setup updated. I have some stuffs updated. I've sold some gears and everything else. A lot of things has happened, and yeah, I hope I can put up information video about it because yeah, I really miss vlogging. But now that haven't been vlogging for a while, when I try to go in front of the camera now, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Uh, Also, I made another channel. I know you don't, nobody cares about it, but I made another channel. It's more of my dash cam videos. Like I use an Osmo Action to film wherever I go, and yeah, those footage are on that channel. Nobody cares about it. I just put it up. I don't expect anybody to go there because there's just nothing. Sometimes I'll be speaking in that channel. Sometimes it's just driving and videos. It's just memories of being in that road and driving. But other than that, that's it. I don't know if I keep on repeating some drives. It's the same route, and yeah, I think it's redundant. But yeah, I'm still gonna put it up. And yeah, it looks like I have a clean haircut today, but actually I still have the long top of my hair. But yeah, so I'm gonna go back up. I have a lot of things to do, so just want to say hi to you guys. I keep on saying hi. The other video I just said hi also. But anyway, have a good one, guys. Okay, we have around one, two, three, four desks here in the house. One here, manual stand up desk. On my IKEA desk over there, which I really like. We have a folding desk near the bedroom downstairs, and another desk there, which is on the spare room. That's where Laura work, and that's an electric sit and stand table. So we have options. If ever I try to work here, I get bored, I move to the other table or move downstairs, and this one is just bare. It's a computer there, so I took off. I have two monitors which I placed down there, but for this case, I want it to be clear. I just want to have one computer. Yeah, I might put one layer because I have a quiz, and yeah, that's it. Either way, gotta stop working now, guys. Oh, forgot to say this has the good active steady shot, which is oh, hey there, which is much more stable, but it crops up a bit. I think it might look good. Yeah, so I'm using a 24 mil lately, so let's just, and I'll try to use the 24 mil because I love the bouquet, but other than that, that's just it. Bits and pieces, jump cuts.